I'm like, incorrect, yeah. She call, I put her on blacklist. I call that options. They can support it, get dropped quick. They be my stock pick. I think I'm playing chess, I see a king, I'm at his neck. I'm 3 steps ahead of every move, not
Money stacking way up to the ceiling. Why your girl just said